Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to the Groomers with Jake. It's really early, so I did not get very fancy with this today because my hair is a mess. But Jake, he's not excited. But Jake doesn't.
But I didn't bring a paper towel because we know he's going to pee on the floor when we walk in.
Yeah, he's very anxious.
We're almost there, Jake. We're almost there.
That quick?
We're going to the lucky puppy. He's like, oh, what are you doing to me? Oh.
He's so tired because what time is it? Is it 6? It's 6. Why does it say 6? Right there.
You know what? I don't know why it says that.
What time is it?
It's not 6.
It's 8:53. 8? It's 6. Look.
What time is it?
I think it says 6:53.
Well, I just changed it to 7. Is it 8:53?
It's 8:53.
What are we doing out?
It's still early. To us, it's early because I'm homeschooled, so I don't like getting up early. I sleep till like 10, 11. I try. I try.
We'll see if he gets excited.
Is he here?
Or if he's up here at this light. I'm not going to go the back way because I have trouble getting out all the time.
Okay, we're here. Oh no. Oh no. He's doing crazy!
Okay.
He's gonna go crazy. And also, it's 49 degrees out here, and I'm wearing a dress because...
You got it?
Ow! Hit the door. I can't! I can't! Hold on. I'm gonna hold the phone with like one hand.
Let me make sure there's not a dog right there.
Jake, come here! No. Here are the Groomers.
What is your name? I am Prescott Dia. D-Y-L-L-A. Jake.
These are his records.
Yeah.
Hi, Jay.
Don't be scared. He's an anxious dog. But then he's sweet when he...
Yeah, see, he needs a... I want to see if his hips are matted. Thank you, Dora. You want a picture of him?
Yeah, she has her little YouTube channel of everything about Jake, and so she's been getting Jake.
Well, you're not going to get me, are you?
No, I don't think I did.
You can get Amber. She looks better.
Oh.
Go ahead and lock this door.
Jake.
He pushed the door open.
Are you brushing this dog, baby?
Sometimes.
But not often.
You
But
need
not
a
often.
comb.
Yeah, we've got one of those
Greyhound combs.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you need a comb. Let's see. Yeah, because he's...
What's the comb for? Why wouldn't you?
Because the Furminator's not getting... Come here, Jake. Come on, Jake.
Jake, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here.
Will that dog bite?
No.
No. He just so.
Jake, you're not... Jake, you gotta be good.
Jake, come here.
Oh, taking you down.
Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's
I
okay.
think a lot of times it's us being around and he's...
Oh, wait, yeah, it's like a kid.
Yeah, I'm not going to try. You don't want him shaved down? We're going to get all this out
I
of
just want
him?
him trimmed. Yeah, I just want him trimmed. And he's got... Jake, go. Jake. Good boy.
Good boy.
Let me think.
Okay, we're on our way to go pick up Jake. I'm so excited. How about you, Mom?
Excited to see how he looks.
Okay, we're here. Gonna pick up Jake and see how he is.
I think they got one person that's already in here, so we have to.
Them are super gliders.
No, sugar
Sugar
gliders.
gliders. They're really sugar cookies. Her husband thought he ordered sugar cookies.
Do you see Buffy in the...
They're in
They're
there.
in there. They're this big and they got a tail this long. He thought he ordered sugar cookies and he had sugar
Look at
gliders.
Jake! Oh, Jake. Oh, you're still so soft.
What do you think I'm doing?
Once I thought I was
Oh,
buying tickets to see
he's
Chicago.
beautiful.
When he said I was Chicago, the Broadway
pretty
Chicago,
you
I was so disappointed when
Oh,
I got there.
yeah, I can imagine.
Oh,
But you look good.
You look so pretty, Jake.
It's 86 cents.
Oh, look at you, Jake.
Come here.
Wait, he pushed the door again. Okay, there we go. Ah,
Well, you look so much better.
look at that beeline. It's actually clean. You look so pretty, Jake.
They didn't tell me that thing leaks with that bargain.
Oh my gosh, all that
We
hair.
give them a thing of water, bottle water.
So are you just gonna keep it? What are you gonna do?
There's two of them.
You're gonna keep
We're
just
gonna
keep
keep them and just.
The mail is much more.
I know
Several
that.
times. Several times. Yes.
You look
So
so
then he called me
good.
because they're like, wait,
Look
he's like,
at
I'm
that.
delivering. I can't take them. And then they
You
felt
look
bad.
so
we took
good.
them.
Yes, you
I
do.
had to go
But
up there
you're
and
still
get them
shedding.
And
You're
they
shedding
were in
so
a house
much.
in this little bag, and we tried to take them out, and she was stuck. So we had to pull it apart.
Look at that.
Well, I'm gonna tell you this.
Look at that, Jakey. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Oh, oh, look how pretty you are. Wow. Sit. 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 Dun 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 dun. Jake Barker. You're so pretty. Come on. Go in there. Go on. Why are you in the front? I told you the back. Why are you in my spot? Aww, you are the most beautiful dog in the whole entire world. You know that, right? Ooh, who's that? Who's that, Jake? Who's that? He's sitting in your spot, Mom.
Are you driving? Are you driving? Can you get in the back? I'll take over from here. Get in the back. Back seat. You gotta go. No, put your head that way. Put your head that way. Go in the back seat.
No. Good boy.
Dog hair all over me. You look good, boy. You want me to open the sunroof for you? You can stick your head out.
Oh yeah. Can you open like it all the way? He doesn't like. What the heck are you doing?
What are you?
You feel good. Look at you. He just shaked, but I didn't get that on the computer camera. Oh no. Looks like I see something. Ew. Come on. I won't. You're tying me up. You're tying me. Whoa!
He probably needs to potty though.
You just did.
Oh, he did? Okay.
Look at your
I got sauce all
butt.
over me.
It's so awesome.
Yeah, get all that hair off out here. I'll be vacuuming soon.
Oh, look at that butt. Looks so good. Look at it. Look, Fluffy. Look at the Jakey Wakey who's so cute. We need to do his we need to do his ear. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Also leave a comment down below. I'll be coming to as many of you guys as I can. Thanks.